Hello, in this video I want to show you how to edit time settings on Hisense Smart TV. To do this, first you'll need to click on the settings button on your remote, scroll down to the settings themselves and then navigate to the system. Inside there's a time. You will need to enter a PIN if you have one set up, and by default it should be 4 times 0. Then there's all of the date and time settings like time format that we can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. Then there's a date and time. We can enable or disable automatic synchronization, switch our date, day, month and a year. Then the time. When you're ready, we can go back to the time zone and here switch between manual time zone or auto settings, daylight savings to turn them on and off, or synchronize with our DTV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.